family, guess what? We're doing, what are we doing, bro?
We're doing a one-step paint correction.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, on this beautiful red.
Yeah, that's nice. This side is done?
The hood is done, but it's a little dusty.
We're working on this one.
Yeah.
Well, we'll show you guys the aftermath, but this is being worked on right now. And let me see the swirl marks you got.
You can see it right here.
Alright, what's the...
You can see it. Can you tell in the video?
Oh yeah, we can see them now. Look at those swirl marks.
Imagine that all around the car though.
You can see like so many of them with the... It's deep actually, but in the video you're gonna see it just like that. But when it's sunny, you could literally see it. Yeah, so now that's that.
Oh, you can see
more.
it too.
Yeah, you can see those too with the light. But that's bad. Anyways, we're gonna go on this side. Give me some of that light, bro. Oh, that's beautiful. And then now it's a lot better from before.
So one step.
Yeah, this is just one step. So we're gonna go ahead and do how many? 2 or 3?
2.
We're doing next step as well. This is just the first one. And it's a little difference,
You
but
see a bigger change on the hood because the hood was
Yeah.
really bad.
and then yeah, we'll go ahead there. And then definitely guys follow him. That's Chris. He's doing the hard work. And I'll put his IG in the description below and as well in the video. So make sure to follow him. Hit him up if you need to do yours. Do it very cheap for you guys, and just DM him. It's 80% cheaper than they would in the store. And there we go, right there. The hood is done, but we'll go ahead and show a closer view once it's half the car is done, and I'll show the other half. And what product you're using?
We're using McGuire's.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I think it's right there, right? Oh,
Yeah,
we're
this
using
one
this
as well.
one. Then there you go. That's what we're using.
Yep.
Nice.
Shout out McGuire's.
I know, right? Free shout out to them.
Alright.
And then which one is this? I know there's a few of them.
McGuire Griots. Oh no, Griots garage.
Oh, there you go. Using Griot's garage. Pretty heavy. It's a heavy duty.
Yep.
That's good stuff. So definitely, guys, I'll put the link in the description below for these items if you want to grab. But the process is not that hard. The people at the shops just make it sound so difficult and hard, but it's really not.
Right.
You guys could do it. So stay tuned and keep watching. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys a quick example. All these marks on the pillars. Yeah, I can see them all. Look at that. That's nasty.
Yeah, nasty work.
So that's before.
Too much.
Yeah, and then we'll go ahead and do it after once this is complete. That was just step 1.
That's just one pass.
Yeah. I see a difference. So it's just one pass right there.
Slight difference. But it'll get better.
Yep, we'll do stage 2 and then we'll see what happens from there.
Let me.
So that's gonna add that glossy shine afterwards. And it's already a lot better than before it was. Alright, just to be clear, I'll do it on this side. Look at that. I'll show the other side. Huge difference. Yeah, there you go. See, it's right there. But now, since we did we did an extra pass on it, so that's how glossy it is. Just gotta look at that. That is nice. And these doors are done. Well, the whole car is done, right?
Yes, sir.
I just showed up. Oh, nice. Hey, let me see that light again. Yeah, I can see everything. Oh yeah, a lot better. Yeah, that's dope. Now we just gotta put some wax on it or ceramic coating.
Yeah.
Yeah, before you guys do this, you have to wash it and make sure to clay it and then dry it. And then
This one didn't really need clay.
yeah,
I mean, it all depends on the
but it
condition.
depends
of the
on the
paint.
condition, yeah.
Right.
But claying is still good.
Absolutely.
So you can put ceramic coating and you're good to go. It's a great seal. And yeah.
Yeah, look, I took all the shit off your windows too. All them little
Let me
specks.
see that. Doors open? Not much.
No, I was telling him to look at the hood. It looks mad nice. It looks better.
Oh, the hood? You want to show a clear view of it?
Yeah, because last time was a bit foggy.
It's a little foggy, yeah, because of the first pass.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, now it's...
Now it's a lot. Ooh, look
yeah.
at that. That's clean. That is clean. You guys have some water by any chance?
Yeah, mad paint chips.
No, I got
Nah, I'll bring it. All right. We're gonna do a water test, guys. Be right back. Recording?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. What? This is nice. I know the surface is also downward, so we're gonna try it somewhere else. Come here. Even though we have this side lifted because we're doing some work under there, you can see, so we're still gonna go ahead and put some here. We just went inside.
And this is without wax. This is just polish.
Yeah. So once you put polish and wax or ceramic coating is a lot better. So even though it's lifted up, we'll see which direction it goes or what streaks it leaves. It's coming downwards. Well, we have lifted up, bro. Yeah.
That side is not.
See, no issues. That's just. Yeah, no watermarks or anything like that. It beads really nice.
Yep. I need these now.
Yeah, man. That's it, guys. Enjoy. If you want to do it, hit him up. DM him. We're about to go ahead and fix his what? Underglow with 3M silicone. Bro, go ahead. He was stuck. That's it.